how to reset your MyQ garage door opener Wi-Fi. So you can go ahead and open up your MyQ app and then select your garage door opener. Then you can start the reconnect or change Wi-Fi process. If the app does ask you to clear network settings, you can follow the on-screen prompt. You can go ahead and put the opener on the reconnection or the reset up mode. So basically you can just remove the device and start the process all over again. You can also go ahead and try clearing the motor itself. So go ahead onto the garage door opener motor and you should be able to find a yellow button, something like this. This will clear its memory and that should also include the Wi-Fi. So you're gonna go ahead and hold this button. There's going to be a light that pops out, and once that light disappears, then it basically just means the clearing is finished, and you're gonna have to hold it for around 5 seconds. Then you just go ahead and finish the setup, connect to your Wi-Fi and then choose your home Wi-Fi or whatever Wi-Fi you're going for. And then you can enter the Wi-Fi password properly, make sure it's all correct, the details, and then you can just test the garage door inside your MyQ app and just tap the icon for the garage door to see if it works properly. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you can do this and basically a few options. So hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.